today is SR day, so let's go see some SRs. Holy crap! This used to be a 2-dayer. They used to do 1 day for show cars, and there were a bunch of them, and then 1 day for drifting. I feel that this is better because when they were doing it that way, people usually had to choose between going to see the show cars or going to see the drifting. I feel like you would kind of lose people, and most people would go for the drifting because show cars are show cars. Yeah, you can see some really cool builds, but at the end of the day, there is no action, there is nothing happening. This time around, instead, they set up here like 200 cars maybe, and there's gonna be drifting, which we're gonna go see in a little bit, and maybe we're gonna try and get in some car. There's people there, but I forgot my helmet promptly. My friends did tell me, bring your helmet, bring your helmet, bring your helmet. I'm like, sure I will, sure I will, sure I will, sure I didn't. It's actually a really fire type of decoration. Like, it feels like painted, and then I don't even know how to say it in English, but you know, like touched it like that with like cotton or something. That is a big wing. So I was talking to a few people, and it seems like they're not really super happy with the selection of the show cars and stuff like that, because maybe they were expecting better builds. I don't know. I mean, I don't know if I agree or not. I haven't seen enough quite yet at this point. You'll be the judge of that. I'll try and film a few. But mostly people come here for the drifting. And I think that that's really the main event for SR Heritage. People want to bring their SR engines here and rip them on the track. The show cars are cool, but I think it's like a very secondary thing. Now, the passion in tuning, decorating your cars, and you know, putting gadgets next to them, it's something that we see across the board in Japan, of course, and SR Heritage is no exception. That is a mean looking 15. Most of the people I know are very divided about the eyelids, as I call them. What do you guys think? I like them. No eyelids? Yes, eyelids. Genki?
元気ですよ
今日何時から？
今日はもうだって4時に集合、パーキングに集合して、でもずっとそこから外。暑い。死んじゃいます本当に。
Alright guys, we're gonna do a little bit of charging and a little bit of cooling off, because then, although today is actually better than a lot of other days in the past week. Let's go. I'm all set up, and that's dirty clothes from yesterday. How do you like that? Well, we have cooled off a little bit. We have charged a little bit. If you don't turn back to look at the car, is it even a car that you like? Look at you! The most accomplished man I know. How's it going, bro?
How's it going?
How long have you been here?
Since Thursday.
Gotcha.
And a couple of my friends, they're here at this event right here, so they invited me out today. So I was
Nice.
and check it out. And I didn't realize, like I just thought like this was the only thing happening, and I get here and it's like,
Yeah, it's SR Heritage is actually pretty big here. Yeah.
I mean,
久しぶり、元気? So, Now we go see some drifting. I think we're right on time to see the homies drift. That's my favorite thing. Incidentally, the drift cars are some of the cleaner builds that I've seen, actually, more so than the ones that I see in the show car area.
Italian, right?
Yeah!
Classic shit.
That's it, man. Whoa. We're in there, we're in there. We're almost in there. There we go. Fuck! Thank you. Impromptu drifting session that I didn't expect. 1 second.
Thank you.
All right, with the gloves, I can't really maneuver the camera too much, but introduce yourself for the camera, please.
I'm Silvia S13 driving a S14 2.1 liter 480 horses.
Jesus.
And we're about to do Fuji Doripa for the first time with Italian in Japan.
Let's go, baby.
Let's go.
The heat is real. That's the only part we'll always hate about drifting. What can you do?
I think we're gonna be next lap, so we'll have more running time. Maybe.
Here we go!
Way too much.
Holy crap, that was intense.
I think my intercooler piping came off.
What was that?
My intercooler piping came off.
Okay.
Fuck.
Completely.
Really?
Yeah. So just try to limp it.
Yeah.
I mean, it's gonna suck, but just try to limp it.
As long as you're okay.
I'm good. The car turns.
Car less good.
Yeah. That 180 SX so fucking slow, dude, in front of me each time.
We're going back home early, but it was fun.
You can't park there. Did we pass it? Did we pass it?
Yeah.
Okay. Well, hey, can you rev it? What's up? What's up, YouTube?
What's up, guys?
What's up, gang? We just reversed entry on a hill.
Look at that.
Dude, that 180 SX was so fucking slow in front of me.
All right, you're good there.
People working, I'm just chilling here.
On a person.
Super fast reverse entry on a hill. He was fun. He was brief.
He said, let me show you something you never see before.
Hey, reverse entry on a hill, try to top that.
Did you tell him you can't park there?
I tried.
So I went face in, or reverse in, and then when I was getting out, there was like a bump. So I was like, yeah.
So my man keeps apologizing. There's nothing to apologize for, dude. I had fun.
Yeah.
Nobody got hurt.
Yeah.
I'm sorry the car got fucking blown to shit,
What
but
happened was, you remember that it was a ditch?
yeah.
On that ditch, my car bounced and that broke. It was a ditch.
Oh, so the intercooler really did come off. Look.
Looking at the bottom, that was a ditch that broke it.
It snapped the fucking bolts off. You're missing bolts on both sides.
It's a brand new fucking bumper as well.
Not anymore, is it?
Well, he was. Holy shit. You know what, Loki? It was maybe because I'm too fat. The car shifted.
Not used to the difference way.
Gonna hold it. Oh shit, you scraped the fucking grass with it. Look at the new bumper. All right, SR Heritage checklist, crash in a drift car. Check. There's a bunch of rules when it comes to drifting in Japan on track. And usually these rules are cross tracks and, you know, some of them, they are specific to a single track. Some of them make sense, some of them don't make sense. I'm gonna give you 4 rules that you have to follow when drifting in Japan, and I promise you, at least one of them you're not gonna expect. Number 1, pretty obvious, you gotta wear a helmet. And as my recent accident testifies, the helmet can actually really help you. Wear a helmet when you're drifting, passenger and the drivers alike. Number 2, for some reason, you gotta wear long sleeves. If you have short sleeves, that's a no-go. Number 3, when driving, you gotta wear gloves. That also kind of makes sense to me. But also, sometimes when you're not driving, you gotta wear gloves. Even when you're not driving, you gotta wear gloves. When it gets too quiet during a drifting event, you know that something happened. So we learned today that the car scene in Argentina is not the same as this.
Impossible. That's impossible. There is one event, like 3 years ago, 2-3 cars like this, but
Do you like it? I think sometimes we take for granted what we can and can't do in Japan. When people come from other countries, that's pretty fire, isn't it? I was supposed to leave earlier because of traffic. I'm having a little too much fun. Woo. Doesn't look too good.
It's my second time breaking something today.
No way.
I fixed the first one. This one, maybe. This is not supposed to be here.
We've seen you drifting today. We're gonna be at your ranch very soon. This is Butcher, by the way. The only reason why I wanted to put you on camera this time around is you're one of the nicest people I've met ever.
I appreciate it.
Now, where the fuck does Butcher come from?
Woo! That, I got 2 stories for that.
Let's go.
I'll give you, which one you want? Nice version or you want the bad version?
I want the bad version.
Bad version? All right. So growing up where I come from, Newark, New Jersey, in the States, in America, I come from a bad place, so I always carried a knife on me. Now, my actual background is my father's an actual butcher, so he gave me a butcher knife. And I used to always carry a mini butcher knife on me because people used to come and try to rob us all the time, and so I would always take out the knife and scare them away. One day, when we were young kids, my friend was like, "Hey, Butcher, that's your name from now on." So my name has been Butcher for like 25 years.
Nice.
Always carry a knife on me. But my father is a butcher,
So I guess technically I'm like Butcher Jr.
What's the nice version?
The nice version is, yeah, it's just a nickname that they gave me when I was younger.
All right, so this man organizes some of the coolest drifting events here in Japan. We're gonna be at this event actually very, very soon on the 20, no, where was it, 27th?
September 27th, Saturday.
So we're gonna be there, we're gonna be filming there. This is gonna be on. In the meantime, stick around, Butcher Start Racing. I'm gonna take it right here. Thanks a lot, man.
Thank you.
Well, guys, we've come to the end of SR Heritage 2025. It's been fun. Now I'm going home, but you guys, please keep scrolling because you're gonna find a whole lot of other videos that you're gonna enjoy about the car scene in Japan and very soon abroad as well. This is Lucio, aka Italian in Japan, for RPM Generation. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much. Thank you very much.